Ever pulled up to a stoplight in your Audi or Porsche and cringed at that unmistakable brake squeal? You're not alone. What might surprise you is that this seemingly annoying sound isn't just normal. It's actually a sign of high-performance engineering at work. Picture this. You're driving a precision-engineered German sports car, capable of reaching incredible speeds. Yet something as basic as the brakes makes a noise that would embarrass a rusty bicycle. Here's the fascinating truth behind that morning symphony of squeaks. Performance brake pads, like those used in Audis and Porsches, are specifically designed for extreme conditions. These aren't your average grocery getter brake pads. They're engineered to perform flawlessly when the heat is on, literally. During high-speed track sessions, these brakes can handle temperatures that would turn regular brake pads to toast. The secret lies in the materials used. Performance brake pads contain special compounds and metallic elements that provide exceptional stopping power and durability. However, these same materials tend to create that characteristic squeal when they're cold, especially during your first morning drive or after the car has been parked for a while. Think of it like an athlete warming up. Just as a runner needs to stretch before hitting top speed, these high-performance brakes need some heat to operate at their quietest. Once warmed up, the squealing typically subsides, and you're left with braking performance that could stop time itself. The trade-off is clear: exceptional braking power and longevity versus some morning musical accompaniment. These brake pads are designed to last longer under extreme conditions and provide consistent stopping power when you need it most. They're built for those heart-pounding moments on the track where every fraction of a second counts. For daily driving, yes, the sound can be annoying. But remember, this is the cost of having track-capable performance at your disposal. It's like having a racehorse for your daily commute. Some quirks come with the territory. The next time you hear that squeal, don't worry. Your high-performance braking system isn't failing. It's just reminding you of the racing heritage sitting in your driveway. So, embrace the squeal. It's not just noise, it's the sound of performance engineering ready to spring into action whenever you need it. After all, wouldn't you rather have brakes that occasionally sing than ones that might fail when you're pushing your car to its limits? Visit www.doylestownautoshop.com or call 267-279-9477 to schedule your appointment today.